Namaste, I am Rohit Raghvan from BA Journalism to present today's news. Today we are here to talk about the Intelligence Bureau. It was established by the British in 1887 as the Central Special Branch, making it one of the oldest intelligence organizations in the world. After independence, the IB was placed under the Ministry of Home Affairs and took full responsibility for the domestic intelligence. In 1968, all foreign intelligence duties were handed over to the newly formed RAW, Research and Analysis Wing. The main role of the IB is to collect and analyze information related to the internal threats. This includes monitoring terrorism, insurgency, communal tensions, and national security issues. It also helps prevent threats by sharing intelligence with the law enforcement and central agencies to coordinate its work nationwide. IB runs the Multi-Agency Center MAC in Delhi and state MACs across the country. These units function 24/7 to ensure information sharing between the agencies. IB officers are usually drawn from the Indian Police Service and other civil services. The head of the IB, known as the Director of the Intelligence Bureau, is always an IPS officer. Though the exact number is classified, the IB is estimated to have over 25,000 personnel, including thousands of field agents. Since it is a highly confidential agency, its activities are not disclosed to the public. It doesn't operate under a separate law and has no formal parliamentary oversight, which has raised questions about the transparency and potential misuse. However, the IB continues to play a key role in maintaining national security in recent years. It has adopted modern technologies like AI facial recognition and data analytics to improve its capabilities. That's all for today from us. For more news updates, stay tuned with JMC. Jai Hind.